Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of aloe vera, often referred to as the miracle plant. This succulent has been cherished for centuries, not only for its beauty, but for its remarkable healing properties. Whether you've heard of it as a soothing remedy for sunburns or as a potent ingredient in skincare, aloe vera is much more than just a pretty plant. Let's explore the incredible health benefits it offers and why you should consider adding it to your wellness routine. First, let's talk about what aloe vera actually is. This succulent plant belongs to the genus Aloe and is native to the Arabian Peninsula, though it's now grown in many tropical and subtropical regions around the world. It has thick, fleshy leaves that contain a clear, gel-like substance, which is where the healing properties lie. This gel is packed with vitamins, minerals, enzymes, and amino acids, making it a powerhouse of nutrition. One of the most well-known benefits of aloe vera is its ability to soothe and heal the skin. If you've ever suffered from sunburn, you might have reached for an aloe vera gel to relieve the pain. That's because aloe vera contains compounds called polysaccharides, which help to retain moisture and promote healing. When applied topically, aloe vera can reduce inflammation, accelerate the healing process, and even help to fade scars. It's not just for sunburns. It can also be beneficial for minor cuts, abrasions, and even acne. Its antibacterial properties can help prevent infections, making it a versatile addition to your first aid kit. But the benefits of aloe vera extend far beyond just topical applications. Did you know that consuming aloe vera can also be beneficial for your health? Many people enjoy aloe vera juice as a refreshing drink, and it can have a positive impact on your digestive system. The gel contains enzymes that help break down sugars and fats, aiding in digestion. It can also help alleviate symptoms of constipation by promoting regular bowel movements. However, it's important to consume aloe vera juice in moderation, as excessive intake can lead to digestive discomfort. Another area where aloe vera shines is in its potential to support the immune system. The plant is rich in antioxidants, which help combat oxidative stress and protect the body from free radicals. By incorporating aloe vera into your diet, you may enhance your body's ability to fend off illnesses and infections. Some studies suggest that aloe vera may even have anti-inflammatory properties, which could be beneficial for individuals with autoimmune conditions or chronic inflammation. Now let's shift our focus to the beauty benefits of aloe vera. It's no surprise that this plant has found its way into countless skincare products. Aloe vera is known for its hydrating properties, making it an excellent moisturizer for all skin types. It can help balance oil production, making it suitable for oily and acne-prone skin, while also providing hydration for dry skin. Additionally, its soothing properties can help calm irritated skin and reduce redness. If you're looking for a natural way to enhance your skincare routine, consider using pure aloe vera gel as an overnight mask or as a daily moisturizer. For those concerned about aging, aloe vera may also have anti-aging effects. The antioxidants present in the plant can help combat the signs of aging by promoting skin elasticity and reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Regular application of aloe vera can lead to a more youthful complexion, making it a popular choice in the realm of natural beauty treatments. Let's not forget about the potential benefits of aloe vera for hair health. Many people have turned to aloe vera as a natural remedy for various hair concerns. Its moisturizing properties can help hydrate the scalp, reducing dryness and flakiness. Aloe vera can also promote hair growth by improving blood circulation to the scalp. If you're struggling with dandruff or an itchy scalp, incorporating aloe vera into your hair care routine may provide relief. You can apply pure aloe vera gel directly to your scalp, or look for shampoos and conditioners that contain aloe vera as a key ingredient. As we explore the myriad benefits of aloe vera, it's essential to remember that while it can be a powerful ally in your health and beauty regimen, it's not a cure-all. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement or treatment, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are pregnant. Additionally, when using aloe vera topically, it's wise to perform a patch test first to ensure you don't have an allergic reaction. Incorporating aloe vera into your daily routine can be simple and enjoyable. You can grow your own aloe vera plant at home, ensuring you have fresh gel on hand whenever you need it. Simply cut a leaf, scoop out the gel, and apply it directly to your skin or mix it into smoothies for a nutritious boost. Many health food stores also offer aloe vera juice, which can be a delicious addition to your morning routine. Just remember to choose products with minimal additives for the best health benefits. In conclusion, aloe vera is truly a remarkable plant with a wide range of health benefits. From its soothing properties for skin irritations to its potential to support digestive health and enhance beauty routines, aloe vera has earned its place in the world of natural remedies. So, whether you're looking to heal a sunburn, improve your digestion, or elevate your skincare game, consider harnessing the healing power of aloe vera. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own experiences with aloe vera in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.